Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. In this video we're going to go through some stocks to buy now. I do think these, think it's 4 stocks, they're going to do well in the long term. I think the Nasdaq was down today, but the Dow and the S&P 500 were really good. I think they're green. I just missed up my words. On the list to buy now, I think, is Tesla. TSLA. Talked about this one many times. It's an electrical vehicle company. CEO is Elon Musk. So the reason I'm recommending this is not because of their recent Playdesk release, is because of this news. Was released 3 days ago. Tesla backs vision only approach to autonomy using powerful supercomputer. So this ETHEREUM computer system, it says here, they will be able to process vast amounts of video data to achieve vision-only autonomous driving. So it's an upgrade from their previous system. There is no other EV company that is doing this kind of upgradability in their autonomous driving. If we look at some other electrical vehicle companies, they don't have autonomous driving yet. They're just developing the electrical vehicles. So that's why I think that Tesla is going to be the #1 electrical vehicle. I do think they're going to implement this into their Tesla Model Y and Model 3 because they currently build without radar. Tesla is just going to continue upgrading their vehicles. They're going to outpace the competition. It's currently trading around $61.87, currently down 1.17% on a day. But look at this. They did extremely well in the week. They were up 7.64%. How would you play this one? For this one, it's a long-term hold, 5 years minimum. Any dips you see, load up on the stock. Next stock on the list is Virgin Galactic. Ticker symbol SBCE. This one is currently up nearly 40% on a day, and on the week, it's up nearly 55.6%. So this one is a space company, aerospace vehicles like spaceships. It was because they got some approval to carry passengers to space. I think it was Mars. It says space. Oh yeah, space, not Mars, my bad. Watch this is because this one is a space company, and I do think, in my opinion, space is the future. It's just my opinion. If you guys believe in space, this could be a good investment. So this company is not making money currently based on their fundamentals, but they're going to continue to increase their revenue. I think from the past 3 quarters, they've been decreasing their loss. So I do think in the next few years, they're going to make a profit. So this one's a long-term hold. I'd say at least 2 years minimum. 24th of June, we had some large institutions loading up to the stock, so that might have contributed to this huge run up today. So we're now going to look at their revenue estimates. So look at this. This year, they estimate to do more than 1,000% in their sales growth, and then next year there'll be 1,600%. So that's really good. According to some analysts, they have an average price of $28.67. But don't base your decision on this. Like I said, if you guys believe in the company, you believe in the future, then invest for what they are. So don't worry about these numbers. That's just what I would do. So for now, I wouldn't buy this. This is way too high. So I wouldn't chase the stock. I'll wait for this to come down. So around the $45 to $50, I would load up. Goes lower, even better. So this one, I wouldn't chase it. For 2021 is at least $60 to $70. That is my conservative. They're going to increase to at least $100 per share. Maybe not next year, but maybe the following years. So the next stock on the list is RIOT. This is a Bitcoin mining company. It's really volatile. So when you invest money, you can afford to lose. The reason I'm recommending this one is because at a high of $77, and now it's down to $33. So that is like a double up from here. So if you wait till the $25 to $28 mark, then invest. Just average down for this one. The future Bitcoin, this one would be a good investment. Yeah, towards the end of 2020, there was a massive run, so that could happen again, but it doesn't matter. We don't care about the short term, we care about the long term. So just invest for this one in the long term. If you guys are not interested, or you guys don't believe in crypto, then you guys can just end the video here, but let's talk about it. So the first one on the list is Bitcoin. Let's go through some charts. So based on divergence, if you guys want to know how to read divergence, just go on YouTube and search it up. It's pretty simple. There is a double top, which means this could come down even below 32k. So I would just personally just wait it out. If it's at 31k, I would load up on this one. Next one on the list is ETHEREUM. So this one, we can see it's already have a strong bearish candle, so everything's going to come down around the 1,700, 1,600. I'd say a good entry is between 1,800 and 1,700. So yeah, we could wait for it to come down all the way down to its low in the past few days. The reason I put this on your watch list is because tons of companies like Amazon are using it into their business. We have Google using it, Microsoft, Comcast, all these big companies. For this one, it's also a long-term hold. This one will be 10 years plus. Trust me, in my own opinion, I do think cryptocurrency is the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was basically all my stocks that I want to put you on a watch list. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Some of us got to large ones, some more can know investing in finance. But that's it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. See you guys next one, and happy investing.